everyone, welcome back to MTechZudo, where we make technology simple, visual, and fun to learn. You have probably wondered when you type a website like google.com in your browser, how does your computer actually know where Google's server is? And how does your data travel across the world in just milliseconds? Tell, well, today we are going on a journey from your laptop to the other side of the world to uncover how DNS, IP, routing, and data packets make the internet work. Imagine this. You open your browser and type www.typing.com. You hit enter and within seconds the website loads. But before that happens, your computer needs to answer one big question. Where exactly is typing.com website located? That's where DNS comes in the domain. The domain name system, also known as the Internet's phone book. Now, understanding the DNS. DNS translates domain names into IP addresses. See, computers don't understand names. They communicate using IP addresses like 192.168.1.2. So, when you type www.mtechzudo.com, your computer asks a DNS server, "Hey, what's the IP address for this website?" If your computer doesn't already know the answer, it connects a recursive DNS server, usually your ISP or Google DNS, which finds that address by checking higher DNS servers step by step until it gets the right one. Once found, it sends back the answer. The IP address for mtechzudo.com is 192.168.1.2. Now, your browser knows where to send the data. Now, the journey of data packets. Now that your computer knows the IP addresses, it's time to send your request. "Hey server, please send me the MTechZudo home page." But that request doesn't travel as one big chunk of data. It gets broken into small pieces called packets, tiny data envelopes. Each packet has two main parts: a header containing source and destination IP addresses, sequence numbers, and control bits; the payload, which carries the actual data like a part of a web page. These packets travel separately through the network, sometimes taking different routes and then reassemble at the destination. That's why the internet is so resilient. Even if one path fails, packets can take another route and still reach safely. Now, IP routing. So, how do packets find their way across the world? That's where IP routing comes in, the internet's navigation system. Every router on the internet acts like a traffic controller. When your data packet reaches a router, the router checks its routing table, which is like a map that tells it, if the destination IP starts with this number, send it this way. Each router forwards your packet closer to the destination, from your home Wi-Fi router to your ISP, internet service provider, to through multiple backbone networks, then finally to the destination server. And here's the amazing part, this all happens in milliseconds. Now reaching the destination. When your packets finally reach the destination server, let's say Google's, the server processes the request, breaks its response into packets again and sends them back the same way, just in reverse. Your browser receives those packets, reassembles them, and boom, the website appears right on your screen. It's like sending hundreds of tiny postcards across the globe, each taking its own path but all arriving to tell one complete story. Now, the hidden heroes. Behind every click, these systems work silently. DNS finds where the destination lives. IP routing decides how data travels. Data packets carry your message piece by piece, and together they make the internet work seamlessly, connecting billions of people every day. Now, real world analogy. Think of it like sending a letter to a friend. First, you write the address, DNS. The postal service decides the best path. This is routing. Your letter may travel through many cities. This is routers. And finally, it reaches your friend, server. The only difference, the internet does all of this in milliseconds, billions of times a second. And that's the magic behind how the internet really works, how DNS finds the destination, routing moves the data, and packets carry your message safely across the world. If this helped you understand the internet a little better, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another MTechZudo tech story. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, because the internet never stops moving.